Okay, so thanks to Giorgio, Giovanni, and Dave VS in the forum encouraged me to use the knob to control the CarPlay on the MMI-2G instead of touchscreen. Okay, so I just got this touch pen that will be perfect for capacitive touchscreen. So these little thing here is so small. Sometimes the finger cannot do it. Well, here we go. Unbelievable. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use knob to control, which is pretty nice. Where do you want to go? Texting? Or we're going to go up. Music. We can choose. Let's go back to, I want to play the radio. iTunes. Recently I played this. I want to stop and go to the next song. So let's go back. There you go. And this is Google, so we can add destination. And where do you want to go? Go to work. Oh, let's go find gas station. Oh, somebody texted me. Cancel. Go back. And go here. So, actually with the knob it's pretty nice. Go back to music. Yeah, just rotate this thing and click. This is a CarPlay for you. Control by a knob instead of touch screen. Okay, so the control on this one is pretty nice for the CarPlay. There's something I have to work on, which is, so when we go back to here, what are you gonna do? Maps, and go back out, search. And I don't want to search. I want to get out. There you go. Actually, I really like this now. I like this knob. You can navigate, which is nice. And it's pretty solid. Just have to tune it a little bit. I have to reprogram it. Pandora, so you can actually can go anywhere in here. You can go all the way to the second one. There you go. And what else? I want to go back to the main menu.